how to fix invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. So if you're trying to tag people and the invite collaborator option does not show up, then what you can first do is go to Instagram. In the bottom right corner of the screen, go to the profile icon. And in the top right corner of the screen, go to the three horizontal lines icon. Go to settings and privacy. Slide down, go to account privacy, and make sure that the account is public. Make sure that it's not private. So if I turn this on, my account is private now. If this is turned off, then it is public. You should make sure that the account is public. Now, what else you can do is you can go to App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and make sure to update the app if it needs an update. So instead of an open button right here, if there is an update button, then please click on that and make sure that the app is updated. What it does is it fixes all the bugs and improves the performance. And this might result in the invite collaborator option showing up. The next you can do is you can go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, slide down, find Instagram, click on Instagram and offload the app. Offloading the app won't result in the deletion of your data, but it fixes all the bugs and improves your performance, which might result in fixing the invite collaborator option showing up in Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.